if you look at a woman, you will be able to tell how the family is. And I used to always feel like, why? Like, I don't think that's true.
लास्ट डेकेड के अंदर ऐसी कौन कौन सी हैट्स हैं जो आपने या मैंने पहनी है, जो वी वोन, जो वी फेल्ट कि यार मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे ऐसा भी करना पड़ेगा.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Listen Up with Sim and Isha, where we dive into real conversations about life, personal growth, and everything in between. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for you, so turn up the volume and listen up.
Welcome back, everyone, to Listen Up. And today's episode, me and Isha are talking about all the hats we wear as women as we go through different roles in our life. The role of the daughter, the role of the wife, the mother, and all these things that will happen in life as we go about it. So, yeah. I mean, not to sound extremely, serious about it, but but I think like there was, like, for me especially, now that I'm in my late 20s, I feel like there's this change coming as a woman. Like, I'm becoming a woman now. I'm no longer like a child or like a girl. I'm like this woman. I'm supposed to have my stuff together and I don't know. So are you feeling it? Have you felt it, Isha, like this change that you feel as you grow up? Yeah.
100% I agree with you. I felt the change. I feel like a woman now. I feel that nurturing quality coming in somewhere. I feel like a nurturer. I think that's one of the biggest qualities as a woman you can feel. But I think wife, daughter, sister, ये conventional hats आप और मैं पहन रहे हैं और बहुत सालों से पहन रहे हैं. But let's talk about the unconventional hats. Last decade के अंदर ऐसी कौन सी hats हैं जो आपने या मैंने पहनी है, जो we worn, जो we felt कि यार मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे ऐसा भी करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, this would be expected of me just because I am there. Like, it's just a thing expected out of me. I'll go first, okay?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So one of the hats that I feel that I've always worn as a kid and I wear till now is the perfect beti hat. So, like, the perfect daughter. Okay? Like, that's the hat that I have to wear all the time. Like, she has to follow, like, I have to follow all the said rules that are told to me. I have to follow all the unsaid rules. जो कभी मुझे किसी ने बताया नहीं है, but मुझे खुद सोचना है, खुद assume करना है और उनको follow भी करना है. I'll tell you an example. ये कैसे होता है. So when I was younger, like 21, 22, there was this trip that I needed permission for. I wanted to go on a trip. And my parents, like, they're a bit conservative. So मुझे पता था कि मुश्किल होगा, but मैं कोशिश तो करने गई थी. मेरे parents ने मना नहीं किया था सिर्फ. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया था, तो मुझे आज तक याद है. उन दोनों ने मुझे कहा था, ईशा, आप इतने समझदार हो. You are so intelligent. You should understand yourself ना कि इसकी क्या जरूरत है. And I was like, okay, that's a very nice Indian way of saying नहीं जाना. ये नहीं कर सकती तुम.
So instead of saying ki, nahi, you can't go, like, no, you can't go, or like nothing, it's like, why? You're so smart. You're better than that. Like, why? You should be able to say no to that. Like, we don't even have to tell you to say no to that, which is kind of funny. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so yeah, that's one hat जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे हमेशा पहन के रखनी पड़ती है. If I'm willing to या not, वो करना ही पड़ता है. What is one thing you felt?
First of all, I felt that, and I've also wanted to like kick that hat to the curb, because I think like it's one of the most difficult roles to play, because the more we get stuck in this trap, the more we stay like that, being the good daughter, good wife, good mother, good this and good that, and putting ourselves on these things that we have to be on this pedestal all the time, So first of all, I've tried to remove these hats as well, but of course we grow up with it. I think for me, a big one has definitely been like because again, I was the overachiever, more responsible one, grew up faster than her age. She's so mature, that was the tag that was given to me. So by like good 20, 21, I think I was also the family therapist. I was definitely the family therapist.
I get that.
Because I was so ahead of my own emotions. I was kind of like, I can manage my own things. So then managing my own things was not enough. I had to take on other people's things to manage. So I think I became the person who my brother would come to talk, my father would talk, or my mother would come and talk. Well, father and I, eldest child, eldest daughter, and my father, obviously, like, we would fight half the time. But like, that's because of we are so similar as people. So of course, like, it was always that, that tashan that you call it, that you have between each other.
Tussle.
Even though how much we love each other. And I realized like I had to be the person who would pacify my mom, pacify my brother, handle my dad. Like I was the one in the middle of it all, like managing it and being not paid for it. But yeah, I think that that was a
Yeah,
role
I
I
agree with
definitely
you.
played.
Family
Yeah,
ho, friends ho, like for your friends, so you are the unpaid therapist. Like, of course,
Yeah.
like 2 बजे रात को
Yeah.
call आ ही रही है therapy लेने के लिए, why this is not working out. That is a normal thing. But हाँ, family was a little surprised कि मम्मा को भी समझाना पड़ेगा, मम्मा पापा का झगड़ा हुआ तो भी बीच में जाके समझाना पड़ेगा कि आप दोनों के point of views में क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है. Like these were things I never thought.
I will have to do. Like I'm sitting here and be like, Dad, why are you saying, Mom, why don't you do it like that? And then I'm like, this is not my job. Like I'm not being paid for this right now.
I get it. You know, that gets me to my other hat that I've worn. Very similar to this one. You were speaking about therapy, na? This is this fitness or wellness hat. तो अपनी फिटनेस और वेलनेस का तो मुझे ध्यान रखना ही, ठीक है. I have to grow up, I have to take care of my body. उसमें भी कुछ फन हुआ है. 25 के बाद समझ कुछ मस्ती हुई है अपनी फिटनेस के साथ भी. मतलब green tea is my go-to now. Like I have to have green tea. If I don't go to the gym for a week, my body will tell me, please go to the gym. Like you know the things keep happening around me. But उससे ज्यादा सिर्फ अपनी फिटनेस नहीं, घर पे सबकी मेडिसिन का ध्यान रखना और सबकी फिटनेस का ध्यान रखना. मम्मा पापा वॉक पे जा रहे हैं, मम्मा पापा सैर करने जा रहे हैं, मम्मा पापा एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. मेरे सिबलिंग्स, इफ माय सिबलिंग इज नॉट गोइंग टू जिम फॉर द वीक, तो मैं मेरे दिमाग में अपने आप आता है कि व्हाई शी नॉट गोइंग एंड आई हैव टू टेक हर विद मी, लाइक पुश हर. तो इट्स समथिंग दैट आई रियलाइज्ड कि फिटनेस और वेलनेस मे बी इट्स एन एल्डर स्टोरी. शायद मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा इसलिए भी कर जाती हूँ क्योंकि वी आर द एल्डर स्टोरी. मे बी वी आर, यू नो, इट्स दैट सिंड्रोम.
Wired like that.
This is also expected of me. कि मेरी बहन मुझे बहुत हक से बोलती है कि आपने मुझे याद क्यों नहीं दिलाया. Like it was my job to remind.
Like it's my job. Yeah, exactly. Like, please do this. No, that's not my job. Like, it's your job to take care of your own health. But like, because we are such nurturers again, like, you know, we start taking on that role without anybody telling us to step into that role. That we just end up being everybody's, you know, responsible for everyone, you know, which is not necessary.
Yes.
But yeah. I think for me, like, yeah, for sure. And like a big one is also like communication. I think like I am the master communicator of everyone at this point in my family.
Okay.
You know, because sometimes people can't talk to each other directly. They would probably come to me and I'll be the one like handling the, you know, the threads of conversation and like, you know, handling that communication. I think open communication anyways is missing sometimes in our families. You know कि दिल से खोल के एक दूसरे से कैसे बोले, मैं कैसे ये पापा को बोल सकता, अरे मैं ये कैसे बोलूँ, नहीं उन्हें नहीं समझेगा, ये गुस्सा हो जाएगा, you know, like all that stuff. And then you have to be like, nahi, there is a way, like let's bring the dots together. Sometimes you are being the middle communicator for people, you know. And there was this saying when I was a kid, like I think in school they used to tell us like the woman of, you know, brings the family together. Like, you know, if you look at a woman, you will be able to tell how the family is. And I used to always feel like, you know, why? Like, I don't think that's true. But today I feel like it's absolutely true. Like, however the woman of the family handles the family, that is how the family becomes and evolves. Because yes, the father provides and like, you know, but the mother is the head. She's kind of like the person who's molding the family. So whether you're a positive, negative person, whatever happens is very much like on the woman of the family, you know. And like now that I'm seeing someone and like I know his parents, I go visit his parents and like all of these things, I feel like sometimes I'm managing even his family, even you know, as a role that I'm stepping into, because you know, I can see that like, you know, we have a future together, so I start taking care of him and his mom sometimes, his dad sometimes, because we are so familiar now. It's been like 2 years we've been together. So it's so funny that like you don't only do it for yourself, you start doing it for your partner as well, and your partner's family as well, you know. And
I think
that's where things change.
Exactly. By extension, तो I think ये सिमिलर हो ही जाता है कि if you are with your partner, तो जो चीजें आप अपने घर में करते आए हो, you will carry that forward and you start. I've yet to experience that feeling, but I understand कि ये बहुत natural है, because my natural instinct is to help. So if somebody, a stranger, also asks me for help, my thing would be कि मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ. तो for my family, तो it comes like multifold. और फिर मुझे लगता है partner की family के लिए भी वैसे ही energy आएगी. So I get that. I understand that. one more. So, I'm a book lover, right? And we both
Yeah.
are book lovers. So, I read
Yeah.
a lot of books. You can see the books behind me. So, one hat that I've been wearing for the last, 15, 20 years now is the undesignated book recommendation friend. Nobody asked me, but I am that friend who will get a call from somebody after 3 years also. I have to
Yeah.
gift someone a book. I've not spoken to that person for 3 years, but I have to gift a book. So please tell me a good book to recommend, to gift someone. And I'm like, okay. I didn't realize this, but lately I've been getting a lot of, people coming back in my life to just ask me about book recommendations. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
interesting. So
That's
people
interesting.
remember.
Yeah, but I think like as you go through life, there's just all these things, you start doing. And as a woman, it's like unsaid rule that it is your job to do these things.
Your job. True.
Even though nobody said it's my job, but like it's that unsaid rule. And like sometimes it's important to, yes, play into these roles, but sometimes also to be like, okay, no, today I'm not the perfect doctor. I don't want to be. Today I don't want to do this. And today, there are times where I tell my boyfriend, pick up your own towel. Like, I'm not going to pick it up. I'm not your maid, And not that he expects me to, but like, I think it's somewhere we also like putting up those boundaries and being like, okay, I get it that these are roles that we have to play. But like, it doesn't mean that we have to get stuck in them either,
Of course. I think uska pressure lena hamari that is one more thing that I feel hum dono mein common ho sakti hai ki roles to hain, theek hai, hum hats to wear karte hain, everybody does. Surprising hats, sometimes funny hats, something that is unconventional. But उसका प्रेशर बना लेना और अपने ऊपर उस एक्सपेक्टेशन को रखना कि यार ये करता ही करना है, क्योंकि there are days where I'm not able to fulfill it, exactly like you said, कि नहीं हो पाता. उस दिन you have to give yourself grace, उस दिन you have to take a step back, and maybe that is something that we are learning now. But for the better part of the year, 10 years, I think हम लोग इस चीज को बहुत flow में करते जा रहे थे. I remember one more funny hat. I just realized. So I'm also the English dictionary friend. I'll tell you how. So sometimes my friends are with me and a word, like we are reading something or something will come up on their phone. Instead of opening the Google or dictionary, they'll be like, Isha, iska matlab batana. And my brother, he's reading a chapter at home and there are like 10 or 7 words in the chapter, jisko nahi samajh mein aayenge. I'm just around him, so he'll just keep shouting, Didi, please iska matlab batana, Didi, please iska matlab batana. And I'm like the dictionary friend. Most of like out of 10 अगर मुझे 9 पता होंगे, एक शायद हो जो मुझे भी नहीं पता होगा, but yeah, that's also a thing that has become around me now. I'm the dictionary friend, English friend की, ठीक है, इसको English की words पता होंगे.
Yeah, that's funny because like that reminds me because I am the designated listening board, of my friend group. That means like anybody comes to me, I will quietly listen. Like I'm the venting, listening space that they all need.
Oh.
I know they don't want my opinion. I know they don't want my advice. Sometimes they just want to be heard. And I feel like that is what I am also many times where like people are just, they don't really need my advice or opinion. They just want to talk and they want to share and they want somebody to listen to them. And I feel like
so you're
that's
the safe
what
space.
I become the safe space for them, kind of. So yeah,
that's a nice one. That's a good hat to wear.
Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah. I think it's just like filling your cup. Like when your cup is full, you can do further. So when your cup is empty, then you need your own listening space and you need your own dictionaries and all the other hats. So yeah,
exactly. Sure. Yeah. Oh wow, this was a cute episode.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we discussed a lot about like how we grow and change as women as well, and I'm looking forward to continuing this conversation in the future one.
Yes, we have a lot of exciting things planned for all our listeners coming up in the next few months. Something you will really love, and me and Simran are very excited to plan on it, and we are working on it. And other than that, I think thank you everyone for listening and Bye guys.
See you. Bye.
That's a wrap for today's episode of Listen Up with Sim and Isha. Hope you enjoyed the conversation and make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay tuned and listen up.